Hi everyone, it's Michelle and I've got really good news. We finally got elk back in stock after about 2 years of not being able to get it. And of course I immediately made some stock drums, so I'm going to show you what we just made. I'm going to start with the smallest ones and work my way up. This one right here is a spirit drum. It's scalloped and it is made of elk. This is what this one sounds like. This elk has a really incredible tone to it. This one right here is buffalo, and we've actually had this one in stock for a while. It's also a spirit drum, and it sounds like this. You'll notice the smaller drums have a higher tone. Now we're going to move into the 15-inch ones. And this is a 15-inch spirit elk, also scalloped on a maple hoop. And here's this one. And next to it, we have a 15-inch buffalo spirit drum. And then here is another elk. This one is a harmonic shamanic, and it's a full wrap. And it sounds like this. Next we have a calf drum, which we've had in stock already, but might as well play it now. See how beautiful and transparent that is? And then this one here is another buffalo drum on maple, and it sounds like this. So you notice even two drums from the exact same height on the exact same kind of hoop are going to sound different. Moving into the larger ones, these are the 18-inch drums. This is an 18-inch harmonic shamanic elk, and here's its voice. And then I have an 18-inch, this is an 18-inch harmonic shamanic deer. This one is scalloped. The thing I love about deer is how long the notes last when you play it. And this one is a 20-inch deer, also harmonic shamanic. And then this one here, this is also an elk drum. It's 18 inches. I've made these for people custom before, and I'm going to be making them semi-regularly. These little bits on the side are resonators, then a lot of times they're called drum ears. This is from the Slavic culture, Russia, Ukrainian, Croatia, that area. And they are really interesting because the resonators actually cause a change to the sound. So that's what this one sounds like. And hopefully the phone's picking up how it travels around the drum, because it's really cool. Now all the drums are a little bit on the high side because it is a very nice warm summer day. But that at least gives you an idea of how they sound. Thank you very much. Bye.